Hello, kids. Welcome to the Little Wondering Minds. Let's learn the three magic words please, sorry, and thank you that can do most of the work very easy for you. Please, sorry, and thank you. But before we move ahead, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you have liked our videos. When we ask for something, when we need help, we say please. Can you say it with me? Please, can you give me this? When we need some help, then we say please. Please, can you help me? And when someone helps us, we say thank you. Thank you. Can you say it out loud? Thank you. Like when someone opens the door for you, or when mom helps with your homework, you can say thank you. When we hurt someone unknowingly, we say sorry. Say it loud and say it kind. When we break something unknowingly, when we have spilled something, or when we are not able to find something we have kept somewhere, we can ask for help and say sorry. Say it loud, say it kind. Sorry, please, thank you, and sorry. It makes you shine bright. So, which one do you use the most?